Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do this heart mandala. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. These are the materials required for this mandala. First, mark the centers of each side of the paper. Then join the centers opposite to each other. From the center, I am marking 5 cm each to form a diamond. Now draw a square within the diamond. After drawing the square, mark the points and with a compass draw an arc. If you erase the rest of the lines, you will get a perfect shaped heart. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click onto the bell icon to get instant notifications when I upload a new video. Now with the compass, draw concentric circles at the end of the heart and at the start of the heart. Measure 10 degrees each with the help of the protractor and start drawing your designs. Today I am using Gelly Roll pens from Sakura. To buy these pens, I will give down the link in the description box. So grab yours right now. These pens are super bright on dark colored papers and even on white papers. But I prefer black papers much because it looks so beautiful with black papers. If you have any queries regarding mandala, do text me on Instagram at the artistic plot. I will give down my link in the description box. You can follow me and get updated with every artwork. If any of your friends are art lovers, do ask them to look into my channel and do share this video to your friends too. So this is the final piece of work. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.